While drones has become a vital weapon system for both sides in the conflict, unmanned ground vehicles have had a much more limited use, with Ukraine having some success delivering supplies or planting mines. With very limited use in offensive capability, this is primarily due to the ground vehicles being fairly easily targeted and moving a lot slower, having a harder time crossing the terrain. With Russia sending armored vehicles or tanks filled with the explosive over a minefield. But here Ukraine goes the opposite route by sending a small kamikaze ground vehicle with anti-tank mines as a warhead. This attack became successful mainly due to Russia's poor readiness and awareness, letting the small, fairly slow-moving ground vehicle to drive up and explode. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.